Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be doing this creepy cute type of clown, very affordable with the products I use. So starting off with our base, some foundation. I'm using the Healthy Elixir Foundation by CoverGirl and setting that up with the Colorina Makeup Studio Banana Powder. So now going to the eyes, I'm using the Neutrals Matte Palette from Colorina Makeup Studio, and I'm just packing this dark color in my inner and outer crease. It's going to be kind of like a halo eye effect. Now I'm just blending that out, and keep in mind I use foundation on my lids as my priming base, and that's what making that shadow look all bright and beautiful. Now I'm using another shade, a lighter shade, to blend out that crease, and I'm doing a pretty blown out look, so that way it looks huge. All those colors all big and like a really big eye space. So now on the center of the lid, I'm using some concealer. I'm using the Better Skin Concealer from Maybelline, and I'm just not really cutting my crease. I'm just blending it out. I'm just using it as a sticky base for my lid color. So now I'm using this nice beautiful blue and packing it up in my lid. I just packed that blue on and blended out the edges with the remaining of the shadow on my brush. I'm using a Colorina liquid lipstick, one of their matte liquid lipsticks. I'm just applying that in the outer and inner crease just to darken up those edges, and I just blended it out with my finger and the brush, and I just did that. It looks a little messy, but you'll see how it turns out later after we blend it all out. So once I blended it all in as much as I could, I'm going back in with the same shades I used on my crease, the darkest color and then with lighter colors, just to blend it all out and make it look nice and smooth. Now I'm just applying some of that color on my lower lash line as well, just to tie up all the look together. And I'm making sure I'm doing that lower crease pretty blown out as well. So I just did my brows really quickly off camera, and now I'm just using that same liquid lipstick I use in the outer and inner eye corners. And this is in the shade Chocolate, by the way, and it's kind of like a burgundy type of color. And I just did these little lines and little dots, did my lashes. I use NYX products for my lashes. Now for my contour slash blush, I'm using this Jordana blush. It's so pretty and pigmented, so I just used it in my cheekbones and everywhere for contour. Now I'm using the Away We Glow highlighter from NYX, and I'm just highlighting on my cupid's bow, my nose, and just blending that out. All the products I am using, I'll be linking them down below, because I used a couple products and the video is pretty fast, because I didn't want to make this huge long video. So yeah, I just applied that highlighter in my brow bone and inner eye corner as well, using that same liquid lipstick from Colorina in the shade Chocolate, applying a little circle in my nose and grabbing some concealer to highlight the center part of it, make it lighter and more dimensional, I guess. And now I'm grabbing back the palette. I'm using that corally pink and applying it in the center just to add a little bit of a pop of color and to add more dimension as well. So now going back to that liquid lipstick. This liquid lipstick is the one I use for all liquid lipstick related things. I use that lipstick, and I just apply that all over the lips. Then I just grabbed a small pencil brush and extended out the corners of my lips to have that little clown smile. I just kind of flicked it up like if I was doing eyeliner wings. And then I did the same thing I did on my nose. I applied some concealer in the center part of it to highlight and I just tapped that in and blended it with my finger. You could use a brush or whatever you like, whatever you feel comfortable with. And I just applied some of that coral eyeshadow on top to highlight. So this is the look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a quick and easy Halloween look. I don't celebrate Halloween personally, but I hope you can use it and it's useful for you guys. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye!